Now, as we go to the next question, that is question number 11. What factors are essential for photosynthesis to take place? So, what are the factors important? Half into 2. So, you need to write half into 2. Sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll. Though the marks is 1, but you need to write all the factors which affect the photosynthesis. Question number 2, that 11b. To differentiate between autotrophs and heterotrophs, giving two examples of each. Very important, the difference. Very smartly you have to answer the difference. Now here, what are autotrophs? With respect to food you are talking about. That is a common point. So organisms which can make their food are called as autotrophs, which cannot make their own food directly or indirectly, they take it from the green plants, are called as heterotrophs. So with respect to food, can and cannot. So that becomes your point of difference. They are producers, they are consumers. Correct? Then example. Okay. Any 2 points you can explain for the 2 marks. You can definitely give 3 points also. Next is section C, long answer type questions. Now, how will you test a leaf for starch? Mention any precautions you take. This is A part of the question. So, test for starch. So, pluck one of the green leaves that have been exposed to the sunlight, boil them in wheat. Now, see, I have put something in bold. It means they are very important terms. It should be present in the answer. Okay, the step by step, write in the point form. That's why I put in this highlights, if you can say bullets I have used. Right? So you need to identify. Even in your answer, if you want some key important answers are there, you want to highlight, you underline with the pencil. Okay? When you write this, you get 3 marks. Then B part of the answer. Do not forget A. If you write, do not forget B. Please attempt both. How do plants get nitrogen to synthesize proteins? And nitrogen is present in the atmosphere. So from where? There are two ways that plants can absorb nitrogen. First is by the rhizobium bacteria, and then is the fertilizers which we put in the soil. Right? Both the two steps you write, 2 marks. Then differentiate between good, 13th question A part. Differentiate between good and bad conductors of heat. 2 marks I have given. So first you define. Good means can conduct, this cannot conduct. They are good insulators, they are bad insulators. Give example, then it becomes 1 here. So how we give you marks? When you write, suppose this is correct and this is wrong. So what we do is we give half marks for this. And if both are differentiated correctly, then we give 1 marks for this 1 point. Two, second point, 1 marks. Okay. Next is B question. Explain how heat is conducted from an heated end of a rod to its cold end. So again you have to explain this to the effective vibration of its molecule. This is the first. So every answer, every justification have one principle. Based on that principle, all the other examples can satisfy. Right? So that is important point is through the effective vibrations of its molecule. Then comes your explanation part. So when you get 1 marks, if you write this word, you get 1 marks. Then this way you have to explain the procedure, how it happens, the working. Okay, then you get 2 marks. Then 14th question you have, how can we distinguish between natural silk and artificial silk? Only 1 marks, only 1 point. It smells like burning hair, it smells like burnt paper. Or natural silk, whatever you can write it. Okay, you can write any point of difference between the, which is a valid point you have to use. B part, why do woolen clothes keep us warmer in winters than cotton clothes? So again here is about the conduction of heat. Okay, that you have to write it. With the correct sentence, it is 2 marks. When it is for 1 marks, simple. 2 marks, elaborate. 3 marks, more. And 5 marks, justify with many points. C question, how are temperature and hotness of a body related? Hotter the body, higher is the temperature, directly proportional. More hotter, more the temperature. So hotness of body is directly proportional to its temperature. Now very important part for question, when we give options. Now here in the previous one, if you see the 14th A, 14th B, 14th C. Now this becomes one question. When OR is asked, this is a separate question, but the question number is 14 only. It will not become 15. Okay, it is 14. So how does the heat from the sun reach us, and at what speed does the transfer of heat takes place? So heat reaches through the process of radiation, 1 marks. There is a million of miles. So the second part of the question is speed. It travels with the speed of light. That becomes your second part. You need to answer it in the sentences. Okay. So either you attempt the first part of 14th question or the second part of. But do not write this B and this A. Then it becomes wrong. Okay. So here we finished with the PPT. Okay. I hope everyone have understood what I wanted to say to you. Okay. Thank you, students.